Here I have a set of Jedi Display lights for the R2D2. I've got the LCD display which shows the status of the lights. Here's the front logic displays, the top and bottom. And then there's the rear logic display, which has got version 1.9 currently scrolling on it. The CD comes with it, as well as the prop plug, the front PSI and rear PSI. Front PSI is red and blue, rear PSI is yellow and green. The 3 HPs are white. And basically the whole set is about $400, which includes shipping. So if you're interested, send me a message.